Cde Kuretu, declared national hero. The 10th of August 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. The late former chairperson of the Zimbabwe Ex-Political Prisoners, Detainees and Restrictees Association, ZEPPDRA, and ZANU-PF National Consultative Assembly, NCA member, Cde Kuretu, has been declared a national hero. The announcement was made on Saturday by the Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution for Harare Metropolitan Province, Senator Charles Tongwa, during a visit to the Kuretu family home in Mufikos, Harare. Cde Kuretu, remembered for his service to the liberation struggle and his post-independence contributions to veterans' welfare, will be accorded a state-assisted funeral and burial at the National Heroes Acre. President Emerson Mnangagwa has since declared him a national hero. The announcement was made on Saturday by Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution for Harare Metropolitan Province, Senator Charles Tongwa, at the Kuretu family home in Mufikos. Kuretu was born on March 3, 1942, in Gwero. He completed his primary and secondary education in the city before training as a teacher in Mutare. While in Mutare, he became ZAPU Youth Secretary for the Sakava branch and later rose to the position of Deputy Regional Secretary for Manicaland Province. After independence, he worked for Dereboard Zimbabwe while remaining active in party structures, serving as ZAPU District Chairperson for Mufikos. Following the 1987 Unity Accord, he held various positions in ZANU-PF, from district to provincial level, and eventually became a member of the National Consultative Assembly. Kuretu is survived by his wife Rita, 11 children, and 34 grandchildren. Funeral arrangements will be announced in due course. Full details of the funeral program are expected to be announced in due course. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more updates.